Gisele Bündchen leads a balanced and wellness-focused lifestyle, combining health, family, and environmental advocacy. A dedicated yogi, she starts her day with meditation and follows a plant-based, organic diet, supporting both her physical and mental well-being. Known for her sustainable choices, Gisele actively advocates for eco-friendly practices, aiming to reduce her environmental impact. Her family is at the heart of her life, and she often shares time with her children and husband, embracing moments that emphasize simplicity and closeness. Her lifestyle is a blend of elegance, health, and a deep commitment to nature,